Hello everyone! Today we're going to take a look at this VenturePal foldable backpack. Now this little thing here only weighs 0.7 pounds. It is very light. But can you believe that all of this stuff here on the table can fit inside of it? No? Well, I figured and I will prove you wrong. First of all, let's open it up and see what's inside. What we have here is a very nice little backpack. Let's open it up. Let's put the stuff in. The backpack features one main zipped compartment, two zipped front pockets, and two side pockets. The main compartment provides 35 liters of space, which is enough no matter if it's a day trip or a week-long journey. Two separators in the main compartment are convenient enough to help you further organize things. The two pockets in the front are good for holding small things and are easily accessible. The two pockets on the sides are good for holding water bottles and umbrellas. As we can see, everything fits really nicely. Now let's put it on. As we see here, shoulder straps are adjustable. Besides that, the shoulder straps are breathable, and they have additional padding to relieve stress on your shoulders. Lastly, there is a lock to provide for more safety and comfort. VenturePal offers a wide kaleidoscope of colors and patterns, from classic black to colorful leaf patterns. No matter whether you're looking for something simple or something trendy, there is always a style that suits your taste. It is an ideal gift for your friends or family.